Hey folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a tenor guitar to show you today. The back and sides is some beautiful, colorful walnut from our friend Kath. I didn't know how curly this was going to turn out. Beautiful multicolored sapwood. This is from Vashon Island. And the neck here is a nice piece of old fir. The top is redwood. This is some salvage redwood, so it has some small imperfections in the top that show its nature. It's salvage nature, and the rest here is pistachio wood. So steel strings, it's got geared tuners, bone nut and saddle. This one's got a K&K pickup and a little floating bridge here, and steel strings. Kind of a custom tuning that I had never done before. Very deep and mellow and rich. I like it. This is number 1010. Cheers.